No experience? No problem. Beginners start here all the time. When a beginner starts an online business, they don't need any experience, they don't need any skills, and they don't need any background. Most people, when they start an online business, are totally lost. They're unsure what they need to do, and they don't even know where to begin. But with a little bit of guidance, they are able to take that first step and start with their business, and they'll start seeing progress much quicker than what they actually expected. That fear of, I can't do this, actually changes when their confidence grows and they believe they can do this. So why don't you comment yes if you believe that you can start with an online business, and I will send you all the information you require.